Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the unsaturated fatty acids. So first is the common name, and then we look at the number of carbon atoms and the number of double bonds and also the position of the double bond. So to start with the palmitoic, and here the palmitoic there is 16. So 16 atoms at number of double bonds is 1 and it is at the 9th position. So the family is present in the 7th family and the occurrence is nearby all fats. Next is the oleic. The oleic is 1819 and the family is 9. This is the most common fatty acids in the natural fats as well as the olive oil. So it is the most common. Next what we have is the eleidic. So eleidic is the number of carbon atoms is 1819 again. So here it is present in the 9th family, and it is eleidic is a hydrogenated and the ruminant fats. And the ruminant fats. Next comes the linoic. Under linoic it is 18 to 9 and it is in the 12th position. So here it is present in the 6th group, and this includes the occurrence is present in the corn, peanut. This is the linoleic, corn, peanut, cottonseed, as well as soya bean and the plant oils. Next is the gamma linolenic. The gamma linolenic, it includes the 18, 3, 6, 9 as well as the 12. 18, 3, 6, 9, 12. And this is present in the family 6. It includes some plants and also the oil of evening primrose, then the borage oil, the minor fatty acids in animals. Next is we move on to the alpha linolenic. The alpha linolenic, it includes the 18, 3, 9, 12, 15. So here it is present in the family 3, and it is present in linseed oil. This is the alpha. The gamma, as we saw, it was present in some plants. Then is the arachidonic. The arachidonic is 24, 5, 8, 11 and 14, and this is by the 6th family. And arachidonic is present as the name suggests, it is the animal fats. Then there is also phospholipids in case of animals. Then is the timnodonic acid. This is 20, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. So here it is the 3rd family, and it is present in the timnodonic acid is present in the fish. So fish oils, example is the cold liver mackerel. So it is present in mackerel, menhaden and the salmon oils. Lastly, we look at the carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is in the 22, 6, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 and 19. This is present in the 3rd group, and this includes the fish oils, the algal oils as well as the phospholipids. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.